Welcome to AZ Superbox. In this video, we're excited to present the top 5 best projector ceiling mounts. If you're looking to mount your projector securely and conveniently on the ceiling, these mounts are perfect for you. A projector ceiling mount offers a practical and space-saving solution for installing your projector in a fixed position. It allows you to optimize your viewing experience by positioning the projector at the ideal height and angle for your projection needs. We've carefully selected these mounts based on their performance, durability, ease of installation, and overall reputation in the industry. Each mount on our list is designed to securely hold your projector and provide flexible adjustments for optimal projection alignment. These mounts feature sturdy construction and adjustable arms or brackets to accommodate various projector sizes and weights. They offer easy installation, often with convenient features like quick-release mechanisms or cable management systems. We've considered factors such as compatibility, adjustability, stability, and overall build quality to ensure that these mounts meet the highest standards for projector installation. They are designed to keep your projector securely in place and provide a reliable mounting solution. For detailed information about the top 5 best projector ceiling mounts we discuss, check the descriptions below this video. You'll find links to these mounts, where you can find pricing and further details. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to press that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable tech reviews and recommendations.
PRB-717 WHT Ceiling Mount Projector Accessory from QualGear. This item features a durable construction. Universal design fits most projector brands. Low profile flush mount holds projector at 6 inches from the ceiling. Multiple adjustments. Snap-on, snap-off design for quick installation and release. PRB-717 WHT Ceiling Mount Projector Accessory from QualGear. Accessories that inspire.
Today we're looking at our Amer DCP 100 kit. Our universal projector drop-in ceiling mount kit, the Amer DCP 100, is one of our best-selling products because it is simple, lightweight, and easy to install. Installation is clean and easy, with no drilling or cutting required, and it replaces a standard 2x2 ceiling tile. The product comes with knockouts for electrical and AV installations on either side of the mount. And because it's square, you can rotate the plate 90 degrees and have endless possibilities. For this example here, we've changed the projector mounting location from the center to the top, and we've also installed the Neiman standard enclosure for your electrical outlet, which you can purchase from any hardware store. The patented design of the DCP 100 replaces a standard 2x2 ceiling tile and can be installed in under an hour. This steel reinforcement allows it to support a projector of up to 30 pounds. With our cast aluminum mounting head, you have the option to position it in any of the available locations. It has a solid aluminum construction, which is great for heat dissipation. We have a wide variety of accessories available for installations with a high ceiling. The DCP 100 is also available in a UK version to accommodate a main connection such as a 13-amp single socket outlet. It is easily installed by removing the electrical punch-out and mounting the outlet and faceplate.